Once upon a time, in the enchanting land of Whispering Woods, there lived a curious little fox named Finn. Finn had soft, russet fur and big, bright eyes that sparkled with wonder. He lived with his family in a cozy den, nestled beneath a towering oak tree. Every morning, Finn would wake up with a heart full of adventure. He loved exploring the vast forest, chasing butterflies, and listening to the songs of the birds. But more than anything, Finn dreamed of finding the legendary golden acorn, a magical treasure said to grant its finder one wish. One sunny morning, as Finn trotted through the forest, he stumbled upon a mysterious map hidden beneath a pile of fallen leaves. The map depicted winding trails, secret passages, and hidden clues leading to the golden acorn's whereabouts. With a gleam of excitement in his eyes, Finn decided to embark on an epic quest to find the fabled treasure. Guided by the map, Finn journeyed through Whispering Woods, encountering friendly creatures like wise old owls, playful squirrels, and graceful deer along the way. Each encounter brought new challenges and valuable lessons for Finn to learn. As Finn ventured deeper into the forest, he faced daunting obstacles like roaring rivers, towering cliffs, and dark, eerie caves. But with courage in his heart, and determination in his step, Finn pressed on, never losing sight of his goal. After many days of adventure and discovery, Finn finally reached the heart of Whispering Woods, where the ancient Oak of Wishes stood tall and proud. Beneath its branches lay the legendary golden acorn, shimmering with a golden glow. With trembling paws, Finn reached out and grasped the golden acorn, feeling its warm energy course through him. Closing his eyes, he made his wish with all his heart, wishing for happiness and peace to fill the forest forevermore. In an instant, the forest seemed to come alive with joyous laughter and twinkling light. The trees rustled with contentment, and the animals danced in celebration. Finn's wish had come true, and Whispering Woods glowed with the magic of his pure-hearted desire. From that day forward, Finn was hailed as a hero throughout the land. But more importantly, he had learned that true treasure lies not in material riches, but in the love, friendship, and kindness we share with others. And so, with the golden acorn as a symbol of hope and unity, Finn and his friends lived happily ever after, spreading joy and wonder wherever they roamed in the enchanting land of Whispering Woods.